Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to send money from Sendwave to GCash, okay? Now the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and sign up on Sendwave. So put in your full name, your email address, your phone number, create a password, and where it says where you're sending to first, make sure you choose Philippines, accept the terms of service, toggle this one on, and then click on sign up. And then you need to verify your mobile, okay? And once you're done with that, click on done. Once you put in the code, tap on done. Then you need to log in with your email address or phone number and put in your password. Click on login. Now here, this should be auto-populated where it says send money to. It should be Philippines. As you can see, GCash is one of the methods, and this is what we'll be using. And then just enter your recipient name. For here, just click on this plus icon with a person, and then you can add existing recipients from your contacts. Tap on next, and then allow Sendwave to access your contact. Just tap here on allow, and just choose one of your contacts, and if not, you can add a new recipient as well. And for payout method, make sure you select GCash recipient. Okay, make sure you select this one, and then just enter their details, their full name, their mobile number, retype their mobile number, and then just add in the recipient address, so the city or town and street if that is available. If it's not available, you just toggle this one on and then tap on save, and the contact info will be updated. And now we tap back right here, then just enter any amount we want to send. So let's say we're sending $100. So here you'll see the exchange rate and how much the person will receive with no fees. So they'll receive about 5,400 Filipino pesos. Click here on continue to send, and then just verify email. Okay, so if you've not received an email, click on resend email. Now go to your email, come here, click on verify email, and then click here on take me to the app. And now you need to add a payment method. So you need to put in your debit card, your expiration date, CVV code, which you'll find at the back of your card, and you need to indicate your source of funds. So some of the cards, they'll ask you to also put in a street address, zip code, city and state, depending on the card and issuing bank. Then click here on continue. You need to do an identity verification right now, so you need to have your legal name and date of birth, and this is the format: day, month, year. Okay, then click here on finish, and now we need to select a document for verification of your identity. So it's either a passport, a driver's license, or a national identity card. We'll go ahead and use a driver's license and choose the issuing country. In this case, we'll do United States. Then all you need to do is just scan your driver's license. Make sure every edge is fully visible. Just scan it. And then if your card is readable, tap here on my card is readable. If not, you can take a new picture. So we'll tap here, my card is readable. And then that has been submitted. So click here on submit verification. And then you just proceed with the transfer. Make sure everything is correct. Click here and confirm transfer. And as you can see, it is processing, and there you go. The transaction has been delivered. So that is how you send money from Sendwave to GCash. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.